All right, so there's nothing like those tiny but helpful little features that can make Zoho so special. That's what makes it special for me. And what I want to show you is the fact that you can create a Zoho meeting directly from your Zoho Mail inbox. But before I do that, if you haven't already, click the bell to subscribe so that you won't miss any of our Zoho tricks and tips and all of the great things that we like to bring to you guys. So let's get started. Now, there are some integrations that are already set up inside of Zoho Meeting. So let me show you. If I go to Zoho Meeting, and this is me just going to meeting.zoho.com, which I can also access from the Zoho One dashboard. If you click on, when you first go in, you'll see this, but if you click on settings and then you click on integrations, you will see a list of integrations. If you click Zoho, kind of drills it down a little bit, you see Zoho Mail. This is basically saying that you can schedule online meetings directly from your inbox and share joining links via email or chat. All right, so you can click on learn more if you want to see more information, but let me show you how to do it. Okay, going back to Zoho Mail, if you notice, there are some options here on the side. You'll see Zoho Meeting. Click on it. You can either start a meeting immediately or you can schedule it for later. So I'm going to click on schedule for later. All right. And I'm going to set up a meeting for tomorrow, Saturday, and that will be at 11 a.m. for 60 minutes. All right. I'm not gonna add any participants. I just want to show you guys how that works. I just scheduled a meeting. Okay. If I go to Zoho Meeting, let's go from here so that you can see it a little bit better. Okay. All right. If I go to meetings, I see demo meeting coming up on Saturday. Okay. So you can see that there. What I also want to show you, going back over to Zoho Mail, is if I click on my calendar, I also see the meeting there because anything that's added to Zoho Meeting also is added to my Zoho calendar, which is awesome. All right. So yeah, I just quickly wanted to show you guys that feature because a lot of the time we kind of overlook the little things that Zoho offers us. As you can see, you've got an option for Zoho Desk as well, Zoho CRM, projects, and work drive. So take a minute to explore it and see if there are any features that, could be useful to you. All right. So yes, thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't downloaded our ebook, A Simple Guide to Customizing a Simple System Using Zoho, go ahead and do it today. Trust me, it's going to help you out a lot. Also, and you would go to howtobuildacrm.com to download that book. Also, I'll leave a link at the bottom. We also have free courses at learn.successfulsolutions.com so that you can get full courses on many different things. So just go in there and check it out when you get a chance. And until next time.